What's the meaning of bone meal? Bone meal. Bone meal.
Bone meal. Bone meal. Bone meal is a type of fertilizer made from ground bones, usually from cattle. It is high in phosphorus and calcium, which are important nutrients for plant growth and development. When used as a fertilizer, bone meal can promote strong root growth, improve flower and fruit development, and increase overall plant health. Additionally, it can help to prevent common soil deficiencies and promote healthy microorganisms in the soil. Overall, using bone meal can be an effective way to support healthy plant growth and maximize yields in both home garden and commercial farming settings.